Welcome to Cultivating Contentment. This is week 4, day 4 of our study, and our topic this week has been constant drip. Our verse for today comes from Proverbs 15, verse 13 and 15. A happy heart makes the face cheerful, but heartache crushes the spirit. All the days of the oppressed are wretched, but the cheerful heart has a continual feast. So if our heart is happy, it sounds like so is our face, right? So if we're smiling on the inside, we're also smiling on the outside. But heartache crushes the spirit. So our quote for today comes from Patsy Clairmont. A calmer faith, that's the quiet place within us where we don't get whiplash every time life tosses us a curve, when we don't revolt when his plan and ours conflict, where we relax versus stew, sweat, and swear in the midst of an answerless season, where we accept and expect deserts in our spiritual journey as surely as we do joy. So, again, life's not always roses. We are going to face those deserts in our life, but we're also going to get the joy of things too. So our just having a calm spirit is that thing that lets us weather those rough times, those storms that come through our lives. So, where we can relax rather than stew and sweat in the midst of whatever season we're in. So, a calmer faith, I think that's what I would like to have. So, again, I have enjoyed reading your responses, and our questions for today are, why does James say we should avoid complaining about one another? It's in James 5:9 as a hint. And then question 8, a woman holds within her the God-given ability to influence the people around her. She has the ability to smooth things over and the ability to stir things up. In Timothy 1:5, how did 2 women in the New Testament use their feminine abilities in their home? So I look forward to reading your answers, and I look forward to talking with you again tomorrow as we wrap up the week. And again, stay safe, stay healthy, and blessings to you.